even 1992 deba edrubabi 1992 Rollins time you start free compulsory universal basic education EDF cube by near any gidi yedi be ya ban for san once send na anya ne bibibia afekra de timi free ho edrubabi yesi o ye ma mene ye papa no mo antimi anko school no ye be mo na cancer night adult education program no ne ye de aba aban be sesa na eno afiri ho tisankiye fa ye betwenya NDC programs even NDC na ade beba no waye ne watoto papa so NPP ba o semempe empo won toto papa so a the fact say NDC policy and program no NPP ba ompe na NDC nso aba o say NPP na di we ba ye ono so semempe enu bi na make atro no one village one dam enye bad, one district one factory kenye bad. But can we talk about one village, one dam, especially when even a ban or the ban water to a purpose? Both NDC and NPP say, "Kasi per se raw mind chichidiemu, ye heard the economy and the economics of our development. Ye share agriculture, every sector. Omunyina no omudi ho fo ewo enema bi nsankanya sa me se sankiye ye enema ye ana ye hwe enema ye ene oman ba bia ye wo ye gina ene enema bi nyankopon bo ade mu ode adom yen a menua kenya ne se Ghana fo ho kire omu kenya ne se Ghana fo ye ka ho kire a relative ba oman ni nyina ne ba bia nka ye gina ne nke bia nka yatra enti me kan ya kire se both NDC both NPP enyina no ye kase ehwe a omu nyina ye at fault, but them person me no kani. We are not here to point to NPP or NDC because omu nyina they are at fault. Get it right. And we mama instances ni bi no sada NDC before NPP 2014 2010 they messed up. NPP beba and NAPCO and the omu nyina messed up. And we are not here to point fingers, say the way I mistake where you say there be, and we are most of the time we are because your party be there now you are trying to justify it, and that has been our problem. Oh, justify our party need there, but we are the make country. It has been a bane, a high. Sa kwano yem fire and san tina sem no say sa nyama no emwa. Imagine say who did you imagine single span a year and this introduce here. It do be so our school do a level be no. Baby a will be an anka no and found one baby a wujina and walk a chana oje. Nka enke boni. By away. Economic Empowerment Program NDC Dubai uko srema nanka sada Savannah Accelerated Development Authority omudian ankenye NPP dia or Dubai one district one factory one D1F fantastic. Empo education nansena duchumde science technology engineering mathematics. For now, me no kase won't mean cancer stem no guaranteed say better so. Until we are not here to point to NPP or NDC who is at fault because they are all at fault. There me person me no ye hwene ka ho asem. We have serious problems and we need serious people to solve them. And now hwa ne ye ka tax and sensem no. Ye point na make a choni. Say ye see ye de tour any tua ye de to na ye man ya ene na NDC betra so no man timi amfo mani anhwe etotua ho ye eye ne basa ye de to ene ye man ya na NPP baaye no na wantimi anhwe ame antua ye to ye eye ne ma basa entinya afa ni e beka sa NPP na NDC hwan na ye hwan omunyina obi amoaye now me ne wo a ye wo NPP ni NDC no ye na wo se transo hu se pe o man ye de ne kwan ni nie. Into party now one so no was so this is what I want you to know. Na wunim dia then we leader bad no leader as my kind there ye ni say am why say ne babuan ye tia no hwema ye kan wa ha no enno ye no nyina ka tax ho nsem no me gidi se wanya nim dia bi a afei what transfer and your party, even if you want to talk about party, you know what to demand from your leaders. That's what we are talking about. Intine the yeshano policy aban bi deba or the ba we are for ba mobaka yi blocks minim and yi blocks one be yi blocks na mahama ba for say education ho sensem into sisi school dan ade yi blocks in another be na nye na ade nti the sisi ye no ba bi sisi dru ye bia no ye sisi dru no mo e bia kanwere ma na adro so afiri niam bia se a de mahama ba yi akwa bibio munim se mu pi kura no na yakwetse SHS kura no hwe mahama free SHS obo be no bibi because of the yehunu pain, the bane of policy and program inconsistencies. Me ma wati niam bia se because they omai mu de higher pie we are ye ka obi abaya no obeka otimi ka asem na achia no to defend the political party. To defend the political party. But these are the things I hear amali there's no more failing. These are the things I hear eventually ababe affect your man your growth.